Okay, so I'm here in the Revel again, and I want to show you something I got to try to make things more organized and cleaner. I found this paper towel holder on Amazon, and it has this cleaner that comes out of the tube. So it'll be a nice way to put a little Windex in and not have to have a container somewhere else. However, with the way I'm going to store it, I don't want to drive with it. It doesn't click in or attach securely. So I'll probably pull it out, put it in a cabinet when I'm running around, but then when we're parked, it'll be great to put in and have quickly available. So I found these T-slot bolts on Amazon as well. Came in a kit like that. And so I'm going to mount it to here. I'm going to mount it this way. So it'll be out of the way from the stove and easy to get a paper towel on and off. I prep it by first putting on the T-nut, and then you can slide it right in through this space here, and then once you get it in there and tighten, it'll hold. So this is the spray tube that fits in. You can see I'm parked at a steep incline on my driveway right now, so this just wants to come out. So that will definitely not work for traveling with. I was thinking of trying to do something with magnets to hold it in. I'm not quite sure, but I think for now I could just tuck it away in one of the cupboards or in this to travel with, and then just put it in there when I park. And I mounted it this way, one, to keep the clearance from the stove without having paper towel right over here. And it has 4 holes, and the track will only fit 2, of course, so, but it is stable, it's on with the 2 holes. I guess you could put it further back that way with the other 2 holes. I'm gonna try this out. That lip will pretty much keep it from sliding off. Cool. That frees up that basket. Definitely don't want to really be driving around with these rattling around in there either.